Hi friends, welcome to another cleaning video. This is my Bless This Mess Messy Living Room video. I have no excuses other than I've been really lazy, distracted, and busy with things that are important, some things that were not important. So now I just need to tackle this incredibly messy living room and watch how lazy people fold a big blanket. Yep, that's how I folded it. Now I'm just gonna throw it into my linen closet just because I'm lazy. All right, now to fix these pillowcases because they always get messed up. And I'm one of those weirdos that have to have the zipper on the pillowcase a certain way. It has to be on the very bottom. I do not like the zipper anywhere to be seen. I'm just a little weird like that, I guess. But if it's not done right, oh my gosh, I will be the first to fix it. Or Mike will be like, oh crud, I better fix it right away. Aw, look at Riley being so cute and trying to distract you guys from our horrible mess from underneath our couch. Surprised I'm not finding any living creatures under there. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. I found a plate. Yep, real life people. Isn't it funny how I'm sorting through the mess that's from underneath my couch? Yeah, that's really bad. How did I let this happen, you guys? How did my living room get this bad? I mean, I know it's real life, but seriously, I don't know how I got it this bad. Penny loves her Mickey Mouse. We call it her baby. It was actually given to Riley, but she stole it, and it's forever hers. That was garbage I found that corner. Yuck. We just got back from our Mother's Day weekend at the beach at Seaside, and that pink, white, and black tote you saw me hold just had some snacks in it from what we took with us because, hey, we get hungry on the way there. And if you guys are wondering about the infant swing being in the living room, I actually watch my niece Bernadette. She is an infant, and I have it out in the living room when I watch her. So because I'm not watching her today, I'm just going to put it in my dining room into a corner where it's not going to be in the way. And yes, you guys, I've been drinking a lot of water lately. Now to grab all these blankets and hoodies that are over here in this corner so I can wash them. We took these with us on our beach trip. Now to get a little OCD with these couch pillows again, you guys. Toys, toys everywhere. Now to put my infant car seat into the garage because I'm not going to burn it until tomorrow. And then, you guys, this is so sad, but watch what happens every time I go outside without Riley. He is so heartbroken every single time I walk out of the house without him. Don't worry, buddy, mommy's here. I just have to give him some loves and some snuggles. Oh, the melt in your arm hugs, those are just the best. I guess this is my new mail drop zone. I absolutely hate it. I hate seeing random papers and envelopes just scattered all over the place. Ugh. And here's my Method glass and surface spray that I get from the Grove Collaborative website. It is in the scent Waterfall. I absolutely love it. And as you can see here, Riley is having a major meltdown because he has a new obsession with spray bottles. He loves to spray things. He has a water bottle we let him spray sometimes, but he sees me using this spray bottle and he just wants to use it. That is why I absolutely love getting all natural products, because if he does get a chance to grab a hold of one of my Method sprays, it's not going to harm him. Unless of course he gets it in his eye, then that would just burn his as can be. And this coaster right here was made for me. See, it looks like my tattoo on my wrist. My son Sean made that for me for Christmas because it looks like my tattoo on my wrist. So I thought it was really sweet. So I keep it out there so we can use it. And here is a $15 stuffed shark. Oh my gosh, you guys. The things that us moms do for our kids sometimes. Now to cover this horribly stained and dirty looking couch. Now to pick up my exercise equipment that I used earlier this morning. I did not use my Levoit one today just because I just grabbed something in my drawer and used it. There's the only reason why I didn't use my Levoit one. I normally do use my Levoit one, but this time I didn't. And right there where I'm wrapping up is my, it's like a tummy wrap, I guess you wear when you're working out. It's supposed to help burn the fat more in your stomach. I don't know. It makes my stomach sweat more. I guess that works. I'm not sure. I'm just using it. It was only $5 at Walmart. Now for the most tedious part of the cleaning. See, I almost fell back. Yeah, cleaning up toys from your toddler. You're just gonna have to clean up again in just a couple hours. I mean, seriously, he's just gonna make it messy again. So I'm not gonna focus too hard on how I'm cleaning it. I'm just gonna tidy it up as good as I can for now. And here Riley is coming to help me clean or make a bigger mess. I think more so make a bigger mess. He wants to play with his toy cars, which he calls his cart cars. He absolutely loves them. That's his favorite toy in the whole wide world. I'm so glad because Hot Wheels are only 97 cents at Walmart. But he loves to play with them, so I'm just gonna leave the cars out for him to play with and clean up the rest. I am going to wipe it down though because there is some crumbs and dust on here and I just rather him have a clean environment to play in. Now to tidy up this section. I just recently got this Paw Patrol summer DVD for Riley and he absolutely loves it. I think it's so cute and fun, only $9.99. Now to clean off my poor piano. My cousin Katrina, she sells these Color Street they're like nail polish things you apply to your nails. They supposedly stay on for about a couple weeks, so that's pretty cool, or up to a couple weeks. So she gave those ones to me, and I think she might be adding one in for my next giveaway, so watch out for that, you guys. Here's one of Riley's favorite toys. It's a wooden cement truck we got from Target for $3. He actually has a couple of those wooden cars. We're gonna start a collection maybe for him because he loves those things and he only plays with them on the piano. And here is Mike's second place winning trophy for his racing. He did a really good job. He does have a lot of first place, just so you know, but the second place is also something to be very proud of. My dust bunnies, ha ha ha. It's dusting my bunnies. So vacuuming is definitely my favorite part of cleaning. I don't know if it's because it's the end of the cleaning process or if it's because the beautiful lines just make it look so much cleaner. But I absolutely love vacuuming. I find it quite therapeutic even. Who's with me on that? All right, I got my living room done as good as I can for now because I have the rest of the house I need to definitely work on. I just really got super lazy and busy with nonsense, and stuff that wasn't nonsense, of course. So now it's time to take action and just clean the heck out of my house so I could be happy and everyone could be happy and I'm not embarrassed. So let me show you my living room. All right, so like the awesome mom that I am, I left some of his cars out because that's what he wants to play with. Why would I want to pick him up when he's going to just take it out and play with it anyways? So got that cleaned up. Sorry about my tripod. I got my piano all cleaned up finally. This clutter got tidied up. Yes, that is a Full House season DVD set. My daughter and I love some Full House. Okay, call me cheesy all you want, but I am the product of the 80s, so I love it. And then I got my Roku. Just got that the other day. Gotta take the sticker off though. I use that for my Beachbody on-demand fitness stuff. Got that all tidied up, that cleaned up. That tidied up as good as I can. I don't really care because he's just going to mess it up anyways because it is only 9:58 a.m. So there's a whole big day ahead of us. So this couch looks a ton better. This corner looks much better, minus the sign. I have to figure out where I'm going to put it. That looks better. I got to figure out where I'm going to put those things. Ugh, Sean's toy gun is in the hallway. Ugh, always is. That stuff I gotta figure out. I think I'm just gonna donate that box. But here's the couch. This couch looks much better. I have laundry I need to take to the laundry room. Carpet is totally stained up. I cannot believe. Oh, it's so frustrating. There's Miss Penny. Hi, Miss Penny. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, Max is at the park and Penny is here with me. So it's a good girl. It's a good girl. Oh, I love you, Penny. You're so cute. Yeah, the carpet is stained, but I will have to shampoo it as good as I can in a couple days, and it's starting to smell anyway, so I gotta do that. But yeah, so it looks much better. I dig it. Give me a thumbs up because I worked my butt off, and I, bless you, Penny, and I need to do a lot more, so it motivates me when you give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Definitely like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet. I need more friends, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. See you again next time. Bye-bye.